Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial and this video we will be making an awesome illusion in Scratch. So let's get started. So first, delete the Scratch cat. Now make a new sprite. Um, and name it illusion and make the backdrop convert to bitmap and let's fill it with black. And now let's code the illusion sprite. When green flag clicked, go to extensions and choose the pen extension, erase all, hide, so make two new variables called speed and radius. And it doesn't matter if you put it with for sprites or for discipline only because it's one sprite. So set a speed and set radius to the speed 2.0 and the radius to 100 and repeat 100 times. Create clone myself. When I start as a clone, and now we're going to make a lot of variables. So let's put latitude, longitude, original x, original y, original z, rotation x, rotation y, rotation z, rotation x velocity, rotation y velocity, rotation z velocity, current x, current y, current c. So that were all of the variables. Now let's hide them. So as I said, there are a lot of variables. So please pay attention because it's going to be a bit complicated. So when I start as a clone, set latitude and below put set longitude. So set latitude to plan apps and change it to a cos of, put a minus, okay that's a minus, and in the right side of the minus, put a divide, okay, so now put a times, a cos of times, no sorry, a cos of this minus, and here on the left side put a times, 2 times, put a minus in the right side of the times, and in the left side of the minus put a pick random. So pick random 0.0 to 1.0 minus 1 minus 3.1415 divided by 2. So all of this put it in the latitude, and now in the longitude put times, and the right side put duplicate this, so pick random 0.0 to 1.0, and in the left side of the times put another times, so 2 times 3.1415. So say the project, set original X, duplicate, set original Y, duplicate, and set original Z. So in the original Z, put zin of latitude uh, here, and in the original X, put a times, put cos of latitude times cos of longitude, duplicate of this, and in the original Y, cos of latitude times sin of longitude, set rotation X, duplicate, set rotation Y, duplicate, and set rotation Z all to 0. So now set rotation X velocity, duplicate, set rotation Y velocity, duplicate, and set rotation Z velocity. Okay, so the rotation X velocity to a pick random in all of them. Okay, so pick random times and put times in all of them. So 2 and speed of all the 2. Okay guys, okay, say the project, so pick random. In all put natty 1.0, natty 1.0, and natty 1.0 times a speed to a speed. Okay, now put a forever. So change rotation X, duplicate, change rotation Y, duplicate, and set rotation Z. Okay, so change rotation X to rotation X velocity, rotation Y by rotation Y velocity, and rotation Z to rotation Z velocity. Say the project. So put set current X, set current Y, and set current Z to original X, original Y, and original Z. So set current Y to where's current Y? Here to put a times, a minus in the right side of the times, and another times in the right side of the minus. So put set current Y to current Y times, go to operators and click cos of rotation X minus current Z times, duplicate this, so sin of rotation X. Okay, say the project. So duplicate, set current Z to, here change sin, and here change cos. And now duplicate, set current X to, here put current Z times sin of rotation Y, rotation Y minus current Y, minus current X times cos of rotation Y. Okay, say the project. Duplicate, set current Z to, the same, but change, and here put cos and here sin. Okay, now duplicate, set current x to current x times cos of rotation z okay minus current y times sin of rotation z. Uh, Here. And now finally duplicate, set current y to current x times sin and here put cos. Okay guys, save the project and now to finish. No, sorry guys, we're not finishing. We put a go to and then finally another thing. Go to in both bullet times. So current x. Well, in the right side of both put the radius. So current x times radius and current y times radius. And finally, to finish the tutorial, when I start as a clone, set pen color back here to pick random 1 to 100, set pen saturation to 100, duplicate, set pen brightness to 100, pen down, show forever, switch custom to the first custom, that is a blank custom, as you see. Wait, pick random, let's put 1.0 to 4.0 seconds. Change the custom, put custom to so such. Oh, I thought it was going to work well. Switch custom to again. Wait 1 second. So we finished the project and okay, it works, but it's small. What happened, guys? It didn't work. Well, maybe we can solve that in the next tutorial. So for now, guys, bye bye.